Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
गोली मार दी, ओए गोली मार दी, गोली मार दी, गोली मार दी, ओए गोली मार, ट्रैक्टर लगा ही नहीं, ट्रैक्टर लगा, गोली लगी, गोली छोरा के, गोली मार दी, ट्रैक्टर लगा, ओए ट्रैक्टर लगा, रोड ब्लॉक करो, गोली मार दी, गोली मार दी, ओए गोली मार दी, जाम लगा दियो,
गोली मार दी छोरा के,
छोरा गोली मार दी, ओए गोली मार दी.
USP ki is khasiha sebab Vivek Sim oleh thu bah kapor bagi Pulit kelawan ra nakashri yo Rahul Wayne kisna nong to ATM uba kredit kiam na Haryana ki Paidbah klami sha surok ban khang lenti bat kle Thmu ban Knieh ke Suloi ki Pulit Meghalaya kumta ki Pulit ki hap Synreit ka nyu Kuli sha Suin bat Ramadan ban siat penting bikin pra Henry Uwei Kuli lade na kejat jong wei ubri bat ulaman saw USP oleh thu ru baga kali gypsy bagi Pulit Meghalaya ki pedan kam kiri gypsy jong ki Pulit Meghalaya ki pedan Delhi.
What happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car, and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also is a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility. Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped, but here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police, so we had to take precaution. Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police, was taken from our battalion from Delhi. I think they fired about 17 rounds.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.